Target heart rate. We've been talking about target heart rate and the heart rate zone since the beginning of the year. We'll find our heart rate, count for 6 seconds, add a 0, and then see if we're in the target heart rate zone. For the fitness unit, we're going to use our heart rate watches. And we'll also use, as a backup plan, the heart rate bar, or pulse bar. First, let's talk about the watches. When you're putting on the watch, make sure your sleeve is out of the way. So pull your sleeve up if you got long sleeves. Hold the watch against your body so that it doesn't move around on you. Get the latch through the buckle, and once you've done that, pull it tight so the little hook goes in the hole. Make sure that the watch is turned right side up so the numbers make sense, not upside down. If you want to tighten the watch or take the watch off, grab onto the strap, pull it towards the buckle, and then either tighten it up or pull the strap out and take it off. When you find your heart rate, you make the peace sign with your fingertips. Put your 2 fingertips on the 2 silver buttons. Hold them there for about 6 seconds until you get a 100 number. If your watch isn't working, try wiggling it around a little bit and using your peace sign to find it again. If after the second try it doesn't work, use the backup plan. Go to the little bins in the middle of the gym, grab the heart rate bar, hold on to the heart rate bar, and wait for the first 100 number that you get. Okay, now let's talk about your group worksheet. First, everyone in your group needs to put their name under the box where it says name. First name only. So let's say my name is John. Gabe, Jeremy, and Scott. So if this was my group of 4 with John, Gabe, Jeremy, and Scott, this is what my worksheet would look like. Now here's how we record our numbers. After each station, the teacher will give you time to record your heart rate. Depending on which station you start at, that's where you start writing your numbers. So if I was starting at station number 1, I'd put my number right here, like 100 numbers. Say I got 145 with it for my heart rate. And then Gabe would put his in, 156. Let's say Jeremy had 168, and Scott was working really hard, got 189. Then we go to our next station, and the next time we have a break in between stations, find our heart rate again, and we do the same thing for the next station. I'm writing my numbers small because I know that I'm going to do these stations more than one time, and I'm going to be writing inside the boxes more than once. I need room so the numbers don't get all bunched up. So as you're going through the different stations and recording your information, please make sure to write small enough that you'll have plenty of room the next time you get to the station. Alright, so after a few stations, this is what your group worksheet should start to look like. Notice all the numbers are 100 numbers, no 200 numbers, no 40 or 35 or double-digit numbers. It should be 3-digit numbers in the 100s. And it should look something like this. A big thank you to my nephew Justin for helping out with the watches. And now it's time for station identification.